General knowledge questions and answers. Hello friends. This is Raul's tutorial. Please visit our website www.raulstutorial.com and download our app, Electronics Engineering Tutorial. Raul's tutorial. Let's know the national animals of various countries. National animal of India. Answer is the Royal Bengal tiger. National animal of Canada. Answer is the beaver. National animal of Sweden. Answer is the moose or elk. National animal of Singapore. Answer is the lion. National animal of Australia. Answer is the red kangaroo. National animal of Pakistan. Answer is the markhor. National animal of Bangladesh. Answer is the Royal Bengal tiger. National animal of Nepal. Answer is the cow. National animal of South Africa. Answer is the springbok. National animal of Sri Lanka. Answer is the lion. National animal of Philippines. Answer is the carabao. National animal of Poland. Answer is the white eagle. National animal of Finland. Answer is the brown bear. National animal of Turkey. Answer is the grey wolf. National animal of Norway. Answer is the lion. National animal of Oman. Answer is the Arabian oryx. National animal of Russia. Answer is the Russian bear. National animal of Spain. Answer is the bull. National animal of South Korea. Answer is the tiger. National animal of Afghanistan. Answer is the snow leopard. Now go for part 2. Thanks for watching.